because ito yung first concert na wala na si Mami.
Oh yeah. Pag iniisip ko nga, honestly, like, hindi ko alam kung paano ko siya lalampasan. She was really present eh. From the beginning hanggang sa dulo. Like, even kahit maliliit na gigs, nandun siya. So, the first gig na ginawa ko, talagang medyo wasak ako. No?
Paano yun? Paano ka nakabalik uli sa pagkanta?
Noong una kasi parang isip ko, should I talk about it? Alam mo yan, parang, kasi diba people went to the show to have a good time. Parang, should I even talk about what I'm feeling? Pero parang, I decided to just sing a song for her.
Or anong kanta?
Everything I Own. That's her favorite song. Like, pag may gig ako, alam ko yun yung inaabangan niya parate.
Natapos mo yung kanta?
Walang. Oo, natapos ko pero ngawa ako talaga. As in, iyak ako. Sobra.